Mexico, a land of untapped potential. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about a quite interesting topic. Why Mexico won't be the next China. Many believe that with its abundant natural resources, skilled population, and proximity to the world's top economy, Mexico was poised to follow in China's footsteps. But we'll explore why this hasn't been the case. So, buckle up and let's get started. Welcome to Innovative Czech YouTube channel. Here we give you all the recent innovative technologies in the US, China and Europe. Please subscribe, like and comment. Mexico, an economy that, on paper, should be flourishing, has experienced slower growth than expected. It boasts a large, skilled population, direct land access to the world's biggest consumer market, the US, and an abundance of natural resources. But there's more to the story. In recent years, trade tensions between the USA and China presented a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for Mexico. As Chinese goods became artificially more expensive due to tariffs, Mexico was perfectly poised to step in as a low-cost manufacturing hub. Then the global pandemic hit, further exposing vulnerabilities in complex supply chains across dozens of countries. Once again, Mexico seemed perfectly placed to benefit. So why hasn't it? Well, for starters, let's not forget that despite recent problems, China remains a manufacturing powerhouse. Despite trade tensions, lockdowns, rising labor costs, and less business-friendly government policies, it's still more globally competitive than Mexico. In fact, China's industrial output grew by over 20% to $4.85 trillion in 2021, making it about 20 times as productive as Mexico. So, the scale of China's industrial might is a key factor here. But let's turn our gaze back to Mexico. It's not without its own share of issues. Crime is a significant concern, and this impacts both its domestic population and its international reputation. Also, Mexico struggles with wealth distribution. Despite being the 15th largest economy in the world, much of the nation's wealth is concentrated at the top. This wealth inequality, coupled with a significant portion of the population being underbanked, create various challenges for the country. Another critical issue is the brain drain phenomenon. Due to limited opportunities, crime, and low-income prospects, many educated individuals have left Mexico, with over 13 million Mexican citizens living abroad, notably in the United States. While the money sent home by these individuals can be a short-term boost to the local economy, in the long run, the country loses out on skilled workers who could have built value-adding industries. Recently, major companies like GM, Ford, Toyota, and Tesla have made significant investments in Mexico. However, these investments can be a double-edged sword. Foreign direct investment stimulates local markets and creates jobs, but often at the expense of control over key sectors of the economy. Much of the economic planning around these investments is geared towards extracting value for the investor's home country, rather than Mexico. While Mexico has some significant advantages, the combination of domestic challenges and the sheer industrial scale of China means it's unlikely that Mexico will be the next China. It's important for Mexico to focus on addressing its internal issues, such as crime, inequality, and brain drain, while developing its unique strengths, rather than trying to imitate another country's economic model. Here you go, guys. Do you think Mexico will ever step up to their full potential? Comment, share and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content like this.